fellow developers. Welcome to my session today. I am Esianyo, and I am happy to take you through this session for today. Now, today we're going to learn about two things. First of all, we're going to see how you can use the intranet access on your local machine. This is how you can access the sandbox through maybe Ubuntu or Git Bash or even the PowerShell on your local PC. We'll do that using the SSH. Then the second thing we will do today is how you can update your personal access token when it has expired. Okay, some of you have been setting it to 1 month or even 2 months, and if it expires, how can you just update it without recloning your repository? We're going to look at that today as well. Let's just hop in with using your sandbox locally. So first you have to open your local machine command line. I am using Ubuntu, as you can see over here, Ubuntu 20.04. That is what I'm using. So you just open your Ubuntu and then you go straight to your intranet and try and access the sandbox. Here, sandboxes. So once it opens, yes, this is the one I want to use. Now you see here that you have SSH, SFTP, you have webterm, and then your restart and then destroy. What we are interested in is the SSH. Just copy it. Once you tap on it to copy, then go to your terminal, your local terminal, and paste. Then you hit enter. While you're doing this, you need to be connected to the internet. Your PC needs to have a strong internet access. Okay. So once you paste the SSH and you hit enter, it's going to ask you for password. Now, if you are doing it for the first time, it may ask you if you want to permanently store that. So you just type yes or no. Just type yes and hit enter. But when you do that, it will also ask you for the password. Now, which password are they asking for? Back to your intranet where we access the sandbox, you see that we have password session here. Okay, password. Just tap on it and it will copy. Click on it, it will copy, and then you paste it. Now I have pasted it, but you cannot see it because passwords are meant to be hidden. So your terminal will not show it. So you just need to do the pasting once and then you hit enter. Once you hit enter, of course, you realize that my machine's name, which was Esianyo, has now changed to this, which is the sandbox, name. So it means that I am inside my intranet, my sandbox, the ALX sandbox, and I can do whatever I want over there. So if I do ls right now, you see the repositories that I have inside my ALX, okay, sandbox. Now let's see, there is one of these okay, so I'll choose ALX 0day repository. Now this repository was created 4 months ago, and the password, the personal access token I used to clone it has already expired. Okay, now I don't want to reclone, I just want to update the personal access token. What do I need to do? First of all, I will cd into that repository. So I'll cd into ALX 0day. And now I'm there. Let's try something out. If I update this and I try to push it, you will see that it will ask me for password because the personal access token had expired. So let me just add something to this readme here. Let's see. Okay, I'm in the insert mode now. And update, right? Just do an update, then I'll save the file. Let me try pushing and say git add, git commit, just update, git push. So yes, you can do this as well. You can do the git commit, git add, git commit all on the same line, just as I've done. You separate them by a semicolon. Each command, after each command you put a semicolon and then you hit enter. Now you realize that it is asking password for this. All right, it's asking password for this, and this is because I had actually my former token, this one, has expired. Okay? It has expired. It's no more in use. That is why it is asking me for password. And for me to be able to bypass this, I would have to go and copy my new token and paste it and hit enter before I can push. And I have to do this every time I want to push. So I don't want to do that. I just want to what? Update the old token to the current token so that I will have that ease whenever I want to push. So guys, let's head straight to what we want to learn. To do this, we need to run a few commands. But the thing is, where you want to, the particular repository whose you want to change or you want to update, you have to cd into that repository. You have to be inside that repository. Then you run the following command from there. All right. So once you are there, you do git remote set dash url origin. Git remote set url origin. Now after this, you continue. Okay, https colon double forward slash. Please pay attention. Here, your username comes first. So my username, Esianyo, followed by colon, your new token. I have copied it already and I've pasted it. Then at github.com, followed by, just like how we do the normal cloning, right? Followed by your username again, right? Then followed by what? The repository name, and that one is alx 0day dot git. All right, git remote set url origin, then https, your username colon, then your new personal access token at github.com forward slash your username, followed by your repository that you want to actually update. Then after this, you hit enter. Now, once you do this, Git will update your remote URL with the new token. And now, when you push, you realize that it's not going to ask you for the password and those things anymore. You are just going to what? Push in peace. Let's try. Let me try pushing. This is the command. Voila! Everything just pushed successfully. Guys, this is how you do it. No need to hustle hard. You just need to follow and you are safe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to let me know how it goes under the comment section.